Welcome to my next session on methods of data classification. Data can be classified under two broad headings: exclusive method and inclusive method. Exclusive method of data classification. Here we see a table, and when the upper limit of a class interval is the lower limit of the succeeding class interval, it is called as an exclusive method of data classification. But this table is little confusing as we see 10 in the first class interval as well as we see the number 10 in the second class interval. Hence, data are displayed in a slightly different manner in this table to comprehend the real values. Here we write it in a different format: 0 but less than 10, 10 but less than 20, 20 but less than 30, 30 but less than 40. Next comes inclusive method of data classification. When both the lower and the upper limits of a class interval are included in the interval itself, it is called as an inclusive method of data classification. Here we observe the class interval 0 to 4. The next class interval is 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24. This is one example of inclusive method of data classification. But here also there is a little problem. So that can be solved if at all we deal with continuous variable. In that case, it can be classified according to the inclusive method. Then certain adjustments are required. In that case, we subtract 0.5 from the lower class limit and we add 0.5 from the upper class limit. And we observe a new table. Hence, the above new table is an example of an inclusive method of data classification. We observe that the new table has become 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5, and 69.5 to 79.5. This is all about the methods of data classification. If you like the video informative, please subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next session.